To move an object around, select it, then press G to grab. This will put you in free transform. You can lock it to an axis by pressing X, Y, or Z. Or you can exclude an axis by pressing G, then Shift and the axis you want to exclude. If you want to snap the object back to its original position, just right-click to cancel. You can type a number to move the object in exact increments. For example, if I want to move this cube on the x-axis 1 unit over, I would press G, then X, then press 1. If I wanted to move it the other way, I can press minus key and turn it to -1, then press Enter to finalize my movement. For precision movement, hold Shift while moving the object. To snap the movement to the grid, press G and hold Control while moving the object. To rotate an object, press R. This will make the object rotate parallel to where you're viewing it from. You can also lock the rotation by pressing X, Y, or Z after pressing R, just like grab. Also like grab, you can type a number for exact amounts. You can hold Shift for precision or Control to snap by increments. To scale the object, press S. This will scale the object on all axes. You can scale on a specific axis by pressing X, Y, or Z. Or exclude an axis by pressing Shift and the axis that you want to exclude. When scaling, be careful not to put your mouse too close to the center of the object. The further your mouse is away from the object, the more precision you will have. Give it a try.